Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing a simple mindful movement practice to help you slow down, soften your body, and reconnect with your breath. Yoga blocks for support to release tension and create space for clarity. Move at your own pace and remember to listen to your body and know that this time is for you. Let's get started. Down to the top of our mat. Just place your blocks down here, bend your knees, inhale, arms up, smooth sun, exhale down, good. Inhale and exhale, moving up the body. Two more times, inhale, good, one more. Exhale, swan dive, your arms down to your blocks. Use your blocks at your comfort level. You may have them at their highest height, medium, or lowest here, whichever is more comfortable for you. Let your head hang. Release your belly, slightly bend your knees. You may rock from side to side, or you may switch your legs in and out, bending your knees gently. We're lengthening the spine, relaxing those calf muscles, stretching those hamstrings. Also feel this in your shoulders. Good. Continue to breathe in and out. Good. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Bend your knees and come up again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. And exhale. Forward fold. Adjust your blocks to the highest height here. We're going to go into low lunge. Step your leg back. Bend your knee. And come up for a low lunge. You may adjust your leg to come forward a bit, adjust your blocks. Make sure your right leg is in a 90-degree angle and gently push your hips forward, lengthening your hips, opening up your hips, releasing any tension you may feel in your quadriceps here and in your hip flexors. Relax your shoulders, let them fall down and back. Gently lift your head. Continue to breathe. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Shift back here. Gently come back. Flex your foot and stretch out that hamstring. You may get a cushion if you need to place under your knee for extra support. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's return back to low lunge. May be able to lengthen and stretch a little bit deeper here. Again, go at your own comfort level. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Again, push back, put your weight back. Again, you'll feel that stretch and your lower back, your hamstrings and your quads. Good. And come forward. Place your blocks in the low position. We're going to do a side twist. Let's twist toward your right. Arm comes up. Left hand is on your block. Lengthening and stretching. Creating that space and inner peace here throughout our body as we breathe, moving with intention, moving to release anything that does not belong to us anymore. Good. Come down, switch sides. Hand is on block and twist to the other side. Again, move at your own pace. No rush here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Great. Gently come down. Let's go ahead and switch legs. Left leg comes in front of you. Adjust your blocks. Again, your left leg is at a 90-degree angle. And gently come forward. Again, on our right leg, we are lengthening our quadriceps here, opening up the hips. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's shift our weight back, stretching out your calves and your hamstrings now. Flex that foot for an added stretch. Good. Release and relax, relax and release. Very good. Gently come forward, opening up that chest, slightly looking up. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Adjust your blocks here again for a side twist on the other side. Gently twist up on your right. Good. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Come down and we'll twist to the other side. Nice. These stretches are very, very beneficial for you here. As we move mindfully, we are opening up space, clearing out any negativity that you may be feeling, and welcoming in positive, great things here. Good. Go ahead and stretch back. Good. And come forward. Very nice. Go ahead and bring that leg back. Next, we'll do our side angle. I'll face forward here using the blocks. Place your block here to the side. Hand on the block. Stretch out your right leg and have your arm up and over. Good. It's very, very important, especially during the busy holiday season, that we continue to incorporate mindful movements throughout our day or in the evening. That's more preferable to you. Even if it's simple breaths here. Let's go ahead and move to the other side. Leg out, stretch up, and arm over. Good. Now, in this variation side angle, we want to make sure that we're not slouching over. We still want to activate our core muscles, our leg muscles, our inner thighs, still stretching out that spine and our arms as well. Good. Continue to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Gently come down. Let's go into our final pose, our child's pose. You may use your block to place your forehead on it, or you may use your blocks to place your hands. As you stretch back, make sure your knees are at the edge of your mat, big toes touching, push back. I will use my block to place my forehead on, and I'm going to stretch forward with my hands lifted here, again, for an added stretch for my wrists, or you may just lay them down. Good. Relax into this pose here. Take a nice, long, deep breaths. Good. You're going to gently move your head from side to side, your forehead on the block. It's also good for releasing tension you may be feeling or stress relief from any headaches or any tension in your neck and shoulders. This is great for that. Good. Inhale and exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Gently come up. Now use your blocks to get to the top of your mat here. And gently have a little stretch back. And you may walk forward, bend your knees. Inhale, arms up. And exhale down. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this practice helped you feel supportive, relieved, and have more clarity for today. Feel free to check out my other videos where I use yoga props for support and mindful movement. The next video will be uploaded next Friday, December 26th. That will be after Christmas. So I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season for you and your family. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.